gonna walk.
I almost did it. I was like, oh look, another door. I'm gonna walk out here. Joe Payne did it. Why is everybody out there?
Hunter!
Hunter?
Hunter!
Stop! Say it again, Hunter.
What? We have respawn. I don't even know. Is that recording? Hey, we go.
Everybody to the back! You guys are fat.
I love you all. That's all I have to say.
Oh, I'm gonna run into that bucket.
Yeah! Oh, great see, man!
Yeah, we're gonna do this. We gotta make it outside of the
I'm going first. Oh, I know. Let me go first. Let me go first.
Go, 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 go! Go, go, go! Run, 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 run! Run, run! Run, run! Need a mag! M4 mag! 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 Hey! What's up? What's up? Thanks for the mag.
No problem. Get him back here at the end.
Alright. Go, go, go. Reloading, reloading. Hunter, Hunter, blind fire, blind fire.
What?
Never mind, I got him. Mag, mag, mag! I need a mag, need a mag. If you
need a mag?
Yeah, I'm running out with crazy. Here you go. Yep, yep. What?
That thing's nasty.
Hit! I'm out. Oh, right in the ass!
You got an ammo?
Yeah. I'm done.